If you've been following the rumor mill surrounding Insta360's projected X6 launch, today was supposed to be the big day. YouTube is flooded with AI-generated leak videos, but checking Insta360's official site shows nothing yet. Despite the delayed reveal, the leaks and rumors give us an incredibly exciting look at what could be the true successor to the action camera lineup, fixing the awkward shape of older models while bringing massive performance upgrades. Let's start with the biggest physical complaint about previous generations: the shape. While cameras like the X4 and X5 are incredible, their tall, top-heavy build always felt awkward on the end of a selfie stick. Rumors suggest the X6 is bringing a much more compact, balanced form factor, shorter and easier to handle during fast-paced action shots like snowboarding or vlogging. Performance-wise, we're looking at a step up to 8K at 60 frames per second, alongside 4K at 120 frames per second for buttery smooth slow motion. Why does 8K 60 frames per second matter? When you crop and reframe 360 footage down to a traditional 16:9 or vertical timeline, lower resolutions like 3K quickly get noisy and mushy. While some extreme tech circles have dreamed about a 12K sensor, the thermal issues, massive file sizes, and storage costs make 8K 60 frames per second the absolute sweet spot for balancing quality and workflow efficiency. In the imaging department, rumors place the X6 sensor slightly smaller than some competing 1-inch options, which actually helps avoid the complex focusing issues inherent in ultra-wide 360 fixed focus lenses. More importantly, two huge quality-of-life additions are on the table. Removable lenses, a massive safety net so you don't risk destroying your entire camera if a lens takes a chip. 10-bit log color, marking the first time an Insta360 X series camera gets true 10-bit color, giving creators vastly superior dynamic range and color grading flexibility to match professional mirrorless setups. Most creators, pushing past $600 starts getting tough to justify without built-in internal storage. Hopefully, Insta360 keeps the pricing aggressive when it officially drops. While today's expected launch didn't materialize, industry whispers suggest we won't have to wait too much longer for an official unveiling. Whether Insta360 is holding out for a late summer push or a fall event, manufacturing and certification tracks indicate it's only a matter of time. I'll be keeping a close eye on the site and dropping updates as soon as the real specs land. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the breakdown when it finally drops. Despite the delayed launch, the X6 is shaping up to be an essential tool for creators who rely on 360 versatility. What do you think about these rumored specs? And would you buy at an $800 price point? Let me know in the comments below. Hit subscribe and keep creating.